Hey guys, good morning. So this is going to be a continuing video on yesterday. I told you guys yesterday if we close above 68,359, which we did right here, we closed at 68,463, that we are headed towards 71,320, right? I basically told you guys this is one of the strategies that I use on from the Patreon, right? Obviously, if you want to get the strategy, then grab it, join the Patreon. But again, you closed above, entry would have been here, right? As of right now, target is that $71,000 mark that I told you guys on Bitcoin. Really, it's not. It's very easy, very simple to run these strategies, right? Obviously, if you know about them, great. If you don't, then don't. But we can probably look at the same thing as there you go. Same thing on Sol, right? Or actually, maybe not. The daily, did it close above? Yeah, I mean, small close. Let me see. Where would this go? I mean, you probably already hit target. Yeah, you already hit target. You're probably headed to like 145.67, so very small push. But again, yeah, Bitcoin, again, like I told you guys, any close above that 68,359, we closed at 68,463. We're headed, as of right now, I can almost guarantee you guys, we're headed to 71,328. Did we already hit this actually? Nope, not yet. Still going there. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.